So by the time you're in 5th grade, you're ready to deal with problems that have to do with volume. In previous years of math, you learned how to find area, but volume now deals with the third dimension. So say we were asked to find the volume of this box right here. How would you go about that? And I'm going to tell you how. So, say we have this box, and you already know how to... You guys already know how to find the area, say, of one side of the box. But how would you figure out what the measurement is of everything inside? To do so, we use the same basic formula. Volume equals base times width times height. For this specific box, this side down here would be your base. This side right here would be your height, and your width right here, right along this edge, this would be your width. So, what all the different sides are, now all you need to do is multiply. So, say that since we know this is a square box, we can assume that all of the sides are equal. So say that it was given to you that this length right here is 10. Well, since we know that it's a box and that all sides are equal, we can assume that this side is 10 and this side is 10. So in order to find the volume, or in other words, everything in here, we would simply multiply 10 times 10 times 10, and this would equal 1,000. So everything in here would be equal to 1,000 units cubed. Now, say we were dealing with a rectangular shape, such as this, and all the sides are different. Again, to find your width, this is your width, this is your height, and this is your base. It really doesn't matter which you name your base, width, and height, just as long as you're multiplying 3 different measurements for the rectangle. So, say that they give you the base is equal to 10, the width is equal to 2, and the height is equal to 7. How would you find the volume? Well, we know that the equation for volume is base times width times height. Therefore, to find the volume of this rectangle, you would just do volume equals 10 times 2 times 7. And using order of operations, you would multiply 10 times 2, which is equal to 20, and then 20 times 7, which is equal to 140. So the volume of this particular rectangle would be 140 units cubed. Now, when would you ever need to find volume in the real world? Well, if you're asked to fill up a box and you have too much amount of something, you're not going to be able to fill up the box enough, or you're going to fill it up too much and you're going to have amount left over. So it is very important to know your volume and how to calculate it.